You got that mesocyclone on the bottom left, to the bottom left, left of the tower. This is a tornado warning storm. Radar indicated. We saw a good bolt. We're feeling good. There's a tornado on the ground. Radar confirmed tornado.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Somewhere down there is a tornado.
This map shows the track of the tornado off on the left, as well as my position off on the right, and unfortunately we were just too far away to be able to see anything. But there was in fact a tornado at this time, which was pretty cool, because if the cloud base had been a little bit higher, or if I'd been a little bit closer, I may have been able to see that.
Creef core. So near the Froyo. So theoretically, if I had better eyes, I'd be looking at my first tornado ever. You see that over there? We'll scamp right there. Looks like there's two areas of rotation. Where's the one that's
We're leaving. This big lightning was happening
right?
under your stance.
We're heading out. One more lightning bolt, and then we're heading out. Whoa.
The mom in Fantastic Mr. Fox paints. It
Yeah.
looks so pretty.
That was a little one. Why is it so tilted? A shark? Whoa. That's sick. It still has pretty good rotation on it. Dude. Yeah. I'm missing a lot of this lightning. So off to the left there. That lowest part is where we would be expecting a tornado to drop out of. Whoa. Yo. Hold it there. Yes, hold it there. Leave it there. Woo. We have take a moment to show off the very beautiful storm here. All the way up to straight above us, there is a ring that is going around the whole storm. And there's the old mesocyclone, and there's the new, weaker mesocyclone. Or weaker than this one was at its peak, but they're both relatively weak now. At 20 minutes, we're gonna... Whoa! Okay. There's still a little bit of lightning left, so we're gonna go to 24 minutes.